Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at two booster packs for the Lord of the Rings trading card game. These are from the Black Rider expansion, and each one has 11 additional game cards. Shouldn't say different because we don't know that. So these are sealed obviously, and these are for the Lord of the Rings trading card game obviously. These are from Decipher. And there's supposed to be one rare and a mix of 10 commons and uncommons. There are an 18 card diffraction foil subset randomly inserted, approximately one foil per 7 packs. There's 180 different cards in the base set, so there's a lot going on here. So let's look at these and see what we've got. This will give us kind of an idea what we can expect out of these. This was a popular game for a while. I believe this is from 2005, but yeah, so let's see if I can get this thing open. There we go. Alright, we've got a Simple Living, an Introspection, a Yomer Companion, Larry Iniqua, a Black Threat Minion Nazgul, a Strange Device Event, a Weapon of Opportunity, a Nazgul Blade, hand weapon, an Orc Skulker, Minion, Orc Spear, a Traveled Leader, and a Hemmed In Condition. Let's dig through these. They're all labeled at the bottom with whether they're common, uncommon, rare, etc. So let's see here. We've got a common, 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 common. Our rare is the Nazgul. Then we've got an uncommon, uncommon, and uncommon. So 3 uncommons and 1 rare. So let's see what's in our other deck. Our other pack, rather. Alright, we've got a Mordor Aggressor uncommon, an uncommon Invigorated, an uncommon With Doom We Come, a rare Faramir's Sword, a common Covetous Easterling, another Orc Skulker, another Weapon of Opportunity, Hope is Kindled, Orc Drag, Unending Life, and Clearing a Path. So we got a couple of rares as we expected and some uncommons. Looks like there's about 3 uncommons per pack because I got 6 of them here and we got 3 in the first one. So not bad. Out of 11 cards, that's a pretty good assortment, pretty good mix. Looks like if you're playing Lord of the Rings, this is probably a pretty decent expansion to try out and see what you've got. But that's what you kind of can expect from this expansion. So I want to thank you for watching, because we've seen what's inside, and that'll do it. And we'll see you next time.